Alright, so in this video I'll walk you through how we are right now personalizing our outreach. So for this system we are not using any NA10 or Zapier or something like that because this system costs lots of token. So we are simply just using Cloud Code as agents. So I'm going to show you how we are doing. So first of all, we have this sales database inside Notion. So we are using Notion as the CRM. You can literally use Airtable, Go High Level, HubSpot, Google Sheets itself, whatever, it doesn't really matter. So, and then over here in here we have sales database. So right now, the leads are added by a scraper, so we can just add that for you as well. So there are two layers of the system. First is injecting the leads. Second is researching the leads. So these are two different systems. So our our we have one agent who basically scrapes internet through different sources like LinkedIn, like Facebook, websites, and other things, and it basically finds the leads. You can also add leads manually, so we are working both ways. So we have a scraper and we have a team who is finding leads and then adding the leads over here in our sales database. And over here inside the notes, they add all the relevant information and everything. They find over onto the internet and other information about that. And then over here I have created, so I'm gonna just show you AI agents. So I've created some different, so this is the lead finder agent. As you can see, I've created this, and then this is the outreach agent. So what this basically does is it actually goes through their LinkedIn, if Facebook URL is provided, and if their website is provided. So it scrapes all of those, and we have guided it to find different pain points from their their interface, and then create some sort of plan and a proposal and a very personalized message. For example, if we go to this Michael Trump, so they provided them with some information like I think agent email evidence summary. No, they didn't. Yes. So, okay, over here. Now, after what outreach agent did is basically it scraped through all of the sources, and then it compiled this message which says, "Hello, Michael. I came across your post in GHL community from April 1st. The one about rebuilding everything. When a client switches, the rebuild is not a WhatsApp problem. It is what happens when the connection steps lives in your hands instead of an intake flow. Put together a blueprint for the automate doctor." So, you can see it's not a very generic message. It's a complete personalized message. And then the most interesting part is that it also prepares a PDF. Let me also show you the PDF. So something like that. It also prepares a very personalized plan PDF that how we are going to improve their system and how it's going to look like. It places the real screenshots from my library that I manage on a daily basis, and then it prepares a complete PDF like that, and then eventually it just adds the CDA that if you want, then this is the, and then what it does is basically it sets up their first. It also adds these blueprint JSONs, what it found and everything, on what basis it prepared its proposal and everything, and then it writes the email body and everything, and then it writes the first message that we're going to send to them. From this point, we have an email campaign going on which automatically picks this as the first email, and then it sends them an email. And for this message right now we are doing this manually because we hardly have like 10 to 20 leads a day, so we just manually text them because we have a layer in between layer of verification as well. So one of our team members will actually go verify all these messages and this proposal, and is going to verify the findings of the agent, and what was its finding, why it created this specific message and everything. And then over in the LinkedIn, we're gonna just send, after reviewing, we're just gonna send the message. So yeah, this is pretty much working. We have been like testing this for a while. This is working very well. We are like getting some very positive responses, because when people see that you are actually like you have actually done some research on their brand, and then you have created a personalized message, and you have actually like done a whole bunch of uh, working, and now you are reaching out to them, they generally tend to get very attraction very pretty much soon. So that said, but keep in mind that this system costs lots of tokens, so better have at least a 20 or even $100 cloud plan to have this system, just for the running of this system.